Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon fish in an air fryer. First, gently pat your salmon fillets dry using paper towels to ensure a crispy skin. Next, season them generously with your preferred blend of herbs and spices. A simple mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder works wonderfully. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Once your air fryer is preheated, carefully place the seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down, into the basket. Make sure not to overcrowd the basket. Cook in batches if necessary. Cook the salmon for 7 to 10 minutes depending on its thickness. For food safety, always ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. To achieve that perfect flaky texture, check your salmon with a fork at the 7-minute mark. If it flakes easily, it's ready. Thicker fillets might need an extra minute or two. Remember, cooking times can vary slightly based on your air fryer model and the thickness of your fish. Don't overcook it, or it will become dry. Your delicious air-fried salmon is now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove it from the air fryer basket. Serve it immediately with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley for added flavor. It pairs wonderfully with roasted asparagus, a simple green salad, or even some fluffy quinoa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.